exciting tutorial in which we are going to learn how to use shape tweening. Shape tweening as in changing from one shape to the other, changing from a shape to a letter, and changing from a shape to a word, or changing from shapes to word. So let's begin by first drawing a shape. I'm going to pick the rectangle tool. Make sure the fill is red or any color of your choice. Just draw a rectangle. Next, I'm going to go to my 2-second mark on the timeline and insert a blank keyframe. Blank because we are yet to draw the shape in which it's going to morph into. I'm going to pick the ellipse tool. You can change the color of that as well, and then just hold shift and draw my ellipse. So for now, all we have is a rectangle, then changing abruptly into an ellipse. But we want it to morph into the circle or the ellipse. So we are going to click on the middle, anywhere in the middle between these two keyframes, right click, and then say create shape tween. So instantly you see that it creates a classic tween for a shape. So when we play this back, you see your rectangle gradually changing color and shape. Now let's say I want to change to another shape. So let me go to my 4-second mark and insert another blank keyframe and pick the rectangle tool again. Draw a rectangle. And this time around, right click. Once again, we create shape tween. So from your ellipse, it comes back to a rectangle. And I'm going to click on the keyframe here and select my free transform and rotate the shape. Now, aside rotating the shape, I can also click once again on the keyframe and come into the color effects and change the brightness. Can reduce the brightness or increase it. So let me reduce it. And then when we play back, we have this simple animation. Now let's see how we can change this into a letter. So I'm going to go 2 seconds ahead again to the 6-second mark once again and insert another blank keyframe. This I'm going to pick my type tool and type in the letter A. I'm going to do it in caps. And let me position it somewhere here. And let's see how that goes. See, nothing happens from the rectangle to this. Nothing happens because we haven't inserted a shape tween. And even if we insert a shape tween, it might not work because we haven't done a break apart for the text. So the break apart converts the text into a shape. So when we are morphing from one shape to another, it won't be difficult. So you right click on your letter and break apart, or Control B. Now, still, because we are missing out on what? Inserting a shape tween. So we click anywhere in between and create shape tween. So what you realize is your rectangle now morphs into a letter. Now, before we go, let's quickly do this project. I'm going to create a new file. Standard, create, fit to window, and I'm going to change the stage color. I think this is fine. And I'm going to create some shapes, multiple shapes. So first, I'm going to make sure that fill is white. First, I'm going to create a rectangle like this. Then I'm going to create an ellipse. Then I'm going to select the polystar tool and make sure it's on polygon. Number of sides here down here, I'm going to change it from 5 to 3. And I'm going to draw a triangle. Let me reposition it. Let me rotate it like this. Then I have my circle. And see if we can add one shape more. I'm going to pick the polystar tool again. This time I'm going to select star. And then make sure the size of the star are 5. Number of star. And then just draw a little star here. Pick the direct selection tool and then place it here. So we have 4 shapes in all. I'm going to go to my 2-second mark and insert once again a blank keyframe. And then I'm going to pick my type tool. Make sure the fill is white as well. And type the letters play. Like this. Let me pick the type tool again and then let's see if we can open up the letters a bit using this vertical alignment or vertical spacing. And then let's move it to somewhere here like this. So we have the letters, the word play. Now we need to break apart. So I'll do that once and again. So now we have our letters in shape form. And then we can go to the middle and create a shape tool. So in so doing, when you play back, you have each shape. Let me loop it. You have each shape converting or morphing. That's the correct word. Each shape morphing into a letter. So that does it for today. You can leave your comments, questions, and suggestions in the comment section. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. And until next time, it's bye.